Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Harmony One daily update. Let's see if we can make towards an all-time high. And of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box. You can either join Patreon, our site billmindyourcrypto.com, or you can either get into Buy Me a Coffee platform right there. It is your choice, and of course you will get a manual system with over 90% win ratio. This is our unique manual system right there. Personal guidance every day, and automated system with 200 altcoins to be able to buy and sell and to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. You will also get market updates, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, random giveaways, pine scripts for trading, you live trading, and many more. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into one USDT right here. We are going to see first the risk metrics. I have something that I like right here for one, but basically what we need to do is to hold the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Even going down from the 50-day EMA, it is all right. We do not want a crash of Bitcoin. Okay, so right here you will see something that I like. Oversold situation on the stochastic RSI indicator. That is good right here. Too many sellers have stepped in and buyers might soon step in as well. Stochastic RSI is most effective on impulsive waves, and of course it is more sensitive to the price action. That means it is going higher, quicker down and quicker upwards as well. So we go to the RSI, you can see that it is floating around the 54. Same for the commodity channel index, it is in the middle, so we do not have any oversold or any overbought situation right here. And of course the Fisher transform right there, you can see that we have this line of zero, this neutral line right here. We do not have anything else, but right now what we need, it is important to have a buying pressure even below the 20-day EMA. It is fine. However, we do not want a crash of Bitcoin, because I will show you why I'm saying this. But let's go to Harmony One against Bitcoin chart. Okay, right here on Harmony One against Bitcoin chart, we have the same things as the USDT. We have this stochastic RSI into an oversold, while the other risk metrics are floating around there. We also have, though, a little bit of a bearish RSI divergence right here on the 4-hour frame. This is typically a bearish situation right there, although on the 4-hour frame we can ignore it. We have seen multiple times that they do not play out, neither the bullish RSI divergences, neither the bearish RSI divergences, but we have to keep this in our mind. Okay, so this is one of the reasons we want one against Bitcoin chart. Actually, Bitcoin, we want Bitcoin not to crash because it is likely to underperform a little bit against Bitcoin chart right here. For one against Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame, this means every candlestick contains 4 hours of price action, as you remember. All right, so therefore we go to the price analysis of one and on the Bitcoin chart. Right here you can see that I have drawn a trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom back on 4 December towards the top on 27, back to the bottom on 30 December. The reason is I want to find major resistance levels, and you can see that the 0.36 was a major resistance level. Back then you can see we found huge sell pressure and we couldn't close above, and therefore we went all the way down, along with the Bitcoin's price movement, of course, that was. Okay, so we are on the daily frame right now, so its candlestick represents 1 day of price action, and we are looking more towards the next days instead of the very short term. Okay, so right here you can see that once we can close above, we can go to the next price target, which could be the 0.45. We have some minor resistance levels in between, but the main target right there is the 0.45 for Harmony One. Why I keep insisting on Bitcoin not to have a crash right there? Because we are floating into a squeeze point between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. It is possible to go down, and therefore we might be having a minor crash, or if we break upwards, then it would be good for one against USDT and many other altcoins. Okay, so a strong Bitcoin right now will help ourselves and will help Harmony One and other altcoins as well to push the price upwards and to get towards the next price targets that we have. But if we have, let's say that we have a minor correction, what are the possible support levels that we might be having a buying opportunity? So we are going to see them. We are going to draw the Fibonacci from the bottom this time to the top. Okay, and we can see that we have one major support level at the 0.33 and one more at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so right here we could potentially see at the 0.31, the 0.33, possibly a little bit of a swing high right there for the next few days right there. Okay, so we could eventually go here. If I go to the 4-hour frame, we have the 0.33 as well. In case we lose the 20-day MA as a support line, we can eventually go to the 0.33, in which it is a very strong support level area. We might as well go to the 0.31 depending on how Bitcoin will react, and therefore we might be having a buying pressure towards the next highs for one is looking good. Okay, if you ask me, it is looking real good. We have the stochastic sign in oversold right now. The only problem right now is not to find the Bitcoin into a bearish situation right there. If we do that, then yes, it would be bad, and especially we want one against Bitcoin chart to be strong right there. If we manage to go towards the 50-day EMA, towards the second line right here, which is the 0.50754, then we could be having a breakdown and go even further down. Okay, so we need to be sure, we need to be exactly sure that we are getting and outperforming Bitcoin. For one against Bitcoin, we have made an all-time high pretty confidently. You can see right here. Okay, and we could see the price support levels of around 0.382, which should be here as well. I'm going to delete the second one. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so the 0.382, this green line right here, should be a very good support level. We might be finding a buying pressure. However, I would prefer we keep the 20-day EMA. For the time being, we have to see how the price will react towards the oversold situation of the stochastic ascent. Of course, the Bitcoin chart right here, that it is floating around the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, and we do not know yet in which way we are going to. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You have 3 ways to join. You can choose whatever you like, and of course you will get amazing benefits. Okay, I can assure you that. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.